Hope you understood part number 1 of chapter number 7 Chandni, and today we are starting part number 2 of this chapter. Yes, we have read in first part of this chapter that when Abu Khan asked Chandni, why do you want to leave me, then what चांदनी आंसवर्ड दैट आई वॉन्ट टू गो टू हिल्स. मुझे कहाँ जाना है? हिल्स पर जाना है. लेट मी गो टू द हिल्स. मुझे जाने दो. देन what Abu Khan said that have you forgotten the story of your sister Kalua who was the size of a big deer? Have you forgotten? तो वो उसको अपनी उसकी सिस्टर की एक स्टोरी याद दिला रहा है, क्योंकि उसकी सिस्टर को भी किसने मार डाला था, किसने मारा था उसको, वुल्फ ने. तो वो बहुत उसको स्टोरी इसको नरेट कर रहा है. अबू का नरेटेड द कलुआ स्टोरीज फॉर द 50th टाइम. 50th टाइम उसको वो स्टोरी उसको नरेट कर रहा है. But Chani had only one thing to say. I want to go to hills. Okay, so Abu Khan got very annoyed. तो वो यहाँ पर बहुत ही नाराज हुआ. He got very annoyed and he thundered, you are not going to anywhere. तो उसको वो कहता है तुम कहीं नहीं जा रही हो. And he tied the goat with a rope, and he asked him that he pushed her into a small hut. उसने उसको push कर दिया और shut the door को बंद कर दिया. And but he forgot to close the small window. But जो उसकी hut में एक small window थी उसको बंद करना वो भूल गया. He forgot to close the window at the back. The same night Chandni made the window her passage to freedom. तो वो उसने उसको वहाँ से अपना उसको पैसेज बना लिया. कहाँ जाने का? हिल्स में जाने का. Okay, so what he did then, Chandni reached the hills. At last Chandni reached the hills and it seemed to her like that the old hills were standing in a row. तो उसको वहाँ पर जाके ऐसे लगा that the old hills were standing in a row to welcome her. Okay, she felt like a child. She felt like a child meeting her parents after years of separation. उसको ऐसा लगा she felt like a child. उसके ऐसे फीलिंग आई like a child. वो meet her parents after years of separation. Okay, wherever she went, the tall grass rose and flowers bloomed. उसको ऐसे लग रहा था कि जहाँ पर भी वो जा रही थी, wherever she went, the tall grass rose. Okay, सो ऐसा लग रहा था शी वॉज फीलिंग, उसको ऐसी फीलिंग आ रही थी. एंड दैट द टाल ग्रास रोज हर टू एम्ब्रेस हर. ओके, ऐसे लग रहा था उसको एम्ब्रेस कर रही है. एंड द फ्लावर्स ब्लूम टू अम्यूज हर. ओके, सो हाउ डिफरेंट ऑल दिस वाज फ्रॉम हर पास्ट इन द प्रिजन हाउस ऑफ अबू खान्स कंपाउंड. जैसे कि वो अबू खान के कंपाउंड में रह रही थी, उसको वहाँ पर एक प्रिजन वहाँ पर एक प्रिजन की तरह उसको फील होता था. एंड दिस वॉज द हैप्पीएस्ट डे ऑफ चांदनीज लाइफ. ये चांदनी की लाइफ का एक हैप्पीएस्ट डे था. एंड शी वॉन्टेड टू इन्जॉय दिस फ्रीडम. इस फ्रीडम को वो इन्जॉय करना चाहते. शी वॉन्टेड टू इन्जॉय दिस फ्रीडम. बट देन अचानक से क्या हुआ? सडनली द सन डिसअपियर्ड बिहाइंड द हिल्स एंड सून द डार्कनेस एनवेलप्ड द ग्रास. ओके, the wind stopped blowing and there was a stillness all around except for a strange sound which was coming from the bushes. And this was the sound of dangerous wolf. Okay, and she felt very scared. We can say in other words, she was feeling very frightened. She was feeling very scared because now she was thinking about the dangerous wolf who lived in the hills. क्योंकि उसके बारे में सोच रही थी. अब वो हिल्स में थी और डेंजरस वुल्फ भी कहाँ रहता था? हिल्स में रहता था. एंड शी वॉज थिंकिंग अबाउट हिम, सो शी वॉज फीलिंग वेरी स्केयर्ड. ओके, but she said to herself that death in an open field is far better than life in a small hut. Because she didn't like the prison in a small hut, she wanted to go to the hills. So she was saying to herself that death in an open field is far better than life in a small hut. The wolf had come out of the bushes and he was staring greedily at Chandni, and his eyes were shining like burning coals in the darkness, and he knew the new goat was his. and the he knew means the wolf knew that the new goat Chandni was his नेक्स्ट प्रे यू कैन से उसका नेक्स्ट शिकार था वो चांदनी चांदनी उसकी नेक्स्ट प्रे थी the wolf was very big and ferocious, whereas the goat, though healthy, was small. She was very small, but small is not weak. She was saying to herself. Chani stood firm on her legs, and she thought that success or failure is a matter of luck or chance. Okay, so the fight began. After some time, fight began and it went through the night. The moon which had been watching the fight, जो moon जो उस पूरी उनकी fight को वो देख रहा था, began to grow pale and suddenly hid behind the clouds. The moon hid behind the clouds and star also began to disappear one by one. I hope you are understanding, students. And then what happened? A faint light appeared in the east, and morning call for prayer came from a distant mosque. Okay, and the first rays of the sun saw Chandni lying on the ground. She was completely soaked in blood. Okay, she was completely soaked in blood. Soaked in blood. And the wolf tired and sleepy and was getting ready to devour her, means he was getting ready to eat her. Okay, now an assembly of birds perched on the top of a tree nearby was debating the result of the fight. Who is the winner? They were assembly of कुछ birds बैठे थे वहाँ पर ट्री पर, तो वो आपस में क्या कर रहे डिबेट कर रहे थे. They were debating and who is the winner? One of them asked the wolf of course the wolf is the winner, but a wise old bird disclaimed that Chandni is the winner. Okay, so this was about chapter number 7, Chandni. I hope this is clear to you. So you have to read it very carefully and find out difficult word of this lesson. Okay, students, if you have any query, then you can ask. Thank you.